वीडियो गेम्स, ये नाम सुनते ही जहां बच्चों के चेहरों पे मुस्कान आ जाती है, वही पेरेंट्स का टेंशन और गुस्सा दुगना हो जाता है। अक्सर हमारे पेरेंट्स यही कहते हैं कि वीडियो गेम्स विल डैमेज योर आईज, यू आर वेस्टिंग योर टाइम, दिस इज सो अनप्रोडक्टिव, एंड प्लेइंग वीडियो गेम्स इज गोइंग टू ruin your career. But what if I tell you that video games can actually be beneficial in many ways? And those allegations that your elders have put against your most loved games are actually wrong? Have you ever wondered what are the benefits of playing video games? I know you must be delighted by now. Maybe not as much as your parents though. As today, I have brought you some of the proven researched data and statistics by brain scientists to prove that playing video games in moderation can increase your brain's abilities. So what are you waiting for? Call your parents, make them sit with you and let them watch this video. And know that you are not wasting your time on gaming, and let them know how video games are going to be beneficial for you. The general thinking is that longer the screen exposure, worse the eyesight. इसलिए हमारे पेरेंट्स अक्सर गुस्से से लाल नजर आते हैं जब भी वो हमें गेम्स खेलते देखते हैं। पर जब ब्रेन साइंटिस्ट ने लैबोरेटरीज में टेस्ट किए, कुछ चौंका देने वाले रिजल्ट सामने आए। एक्सपर्ट्स फाउंड दैट जो लोग वीडियो गेम्स खेलते हैं, स्पेशली वॉर एंड एक्शन गेम्स, उनकी आईसाइट उन लोगों से बेहतर रहती है जो गेम्स नहीं खेलते। और बस इतना ही नहीं, studies have even shown that these games help to improve our eyesight by having a positive effect on the cerebellum of the brain, which helps in the coordination of the eye movement and the occipital lobe, which contributes to our vision. So the concept of damaging your eyesight by playing games turns out to be false. But yes, this is only if you play in moderation, of course. अब next बात जो अक्सर हमें सुनने को मिलती है is that games are nothing but a distraction. It's a waste of time and it creates attention problems. पर क्यों ना ये बात हम एक्सपर्ट से ही पूछे? According to brain scientist Daphne Bavelier, attention can be determined by how quickly one resolves conflicts. An experiment done based on this, where people were asked to name the color in which the words were written on the screen. What was tricky in this experiment was that there were names of colors, but they were written in some different colors. As the difficulty was raised, it was found that people who were into games were faster in solving these conflicts than those who did not play video games. Even brain scans have shown that gamers have a more efficient parietal lobe, frontal lobe, and anterior cingulate of brain, which altogether contributes to the regulation of attention, resolving conflicts, and better hold on attention. This is because games always asks you to focus for a longer period of time. And if you fail to do that, game over. And nobody likes that, huh? हम गेम्स में बेहतर होने की कोशिश में हमारे अटेंशन एबिलिटीज को भी एनहांस कर लेते हैं। तो यहां भी गेमर्स ने बाजी मार ली। बट व्हाट इफ आई से दैट यू कैन इंप्रूव योर ट्रैकिंग एबिलिटीज एंड अटेंटिवनेस बाय प्लेइंग वीडियो गेम्स? Researchers and experiments have shown that while the general tracking ability of people who are not into games is 3 to maximum of 4 objects, it is 6 to 7 objects in those who play games. This is because games demand a lot of focus, color tracking, movements, etc. So it's another win-win condition for the gamers. वैसे ये तो हो गई बातें about how games increase our attentiveness, alertness, focus and reflexes. पर क्या गेम्स हमें कोई नॉलेज प्रोवाइड करती है? फिर से जवाब है जी हाँ। Most of the war and action games are actually based on true events, portraying exact plots, locations, dates, and times of occurrences. When children play these games, subconsciously, this information gets stored in their minds, and they cover a part of history by enjoying these video games. वैसे क्या आपको कभी कोई गेम खेलकर ऐसा लगा है कि इस गेम में अगर ये चेंजेस होते तो ये एकदम परफेक्ट होता? या फिर क्या आपने कभी खुद कोई इमेजिनरी गेम के बारे में सोचा है? But do you know, children interested in playing video games build this quality of thinking of new games which they love. This boosts their level of creativity and imagination. When understood and guided properly by elders, children can successfully become character designers and eventually can become game builders, which is not only a creative job but also a fabulous career option. Nowadays, games have evolved from cassettes to our smartphone. Now, we can play games with our friends while sitting in our respective homes. This helps children in being more social, vocal, and making new friends, which can later be helpful in studies and generally in life as well. We understand, however, that as parents, आप भी ये सोच रहे होंगे that चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, वीडियो गेम्स इतने तो सही नहीं हो सकते. And we don't deny that either. Anything in excess is bad. उसी तरह वीडियो गेम्स भी. But at the same time, we can't overlook the benefits of video games either. Having said all of this, आपको भी यह समझना होगा that until and unless you implement these benefits of playing video games in your studies and in your career, it will make no sense whatsoever. Like they say, with great power comes great responsibility. So if you guys are getting the power or benefits to play video games, you must execute them responsibly as well. So all in all, it's better to make schedules that allow you to study and play games as well, so that they help you grow up wise and sharp. है तो ये आखिर games ही, and as they say, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. I'm sure इस episode से आपको बहुत कुछ जानने और सीखने को मिला होगा, and I'm sure that हमारे viewers इन lessons को अपने life में जरूर implement करेंगे. So that's all for today. See you next time with some more intriguing and exciting stuff. Till then, keep playing Mind Wars on Z5. Also, want to be the first one to know of the videos on the Mind Wars YouTube channel? Hit subscribe and click the bell icon. And remember, knowledge increases when you share it. So like, share and tell your friends about this video.